welcome back to my channel. Let's get this done, starting with the stove. So today I have for you just a cleaning motivational video with what I had to get done that day. Now, to be honest with you, I didn't finish what I had planned, but at least I got two things clean and out of the way. And like I always tell you guys, I don't beat myself up for it. I was cracking up because I'm like assuming it was so bad down there, but if you guys know me, then you know how I share this on a blog where my husband and I argue about spots when it comes to cleaning. Because if he cleans certain areas that I'm planning videos for, there's no point of me filming them if they're already clean. You get me? Now, you're probably like, girl, I don't argue with my husband for cleaning. Most likely, I argue with him because he doesn't clean. Where my husband is a clean person, and sometimes I had to ask him like, babe, don't clean, so I can record this. And I even have come as far where I tell him, if you want to clean it, you can. It's your home. Let me know so I can just film you instead. Kind of just communicate, but it was just time for me to clean where he does not really clean, which is like underneath the microwave, getting all that grease off. Now I had to use what I already have because I refuse to go buy cleaning supplies, and I want to finish the ones that I already have because I noticed myself getting in the habit where I keep getting new cleaning products, and then next thing you know, the old ones kept being left behind. So instead of me having tons of cleaning products, I need to really just focus on finishing the ones I already have. I didn't realize this until later, where this is actually a first for me, where whenever I'm cleaning a certain area, I normally don't skip like spots. And in this case, I did. I totally skipped the oven, you guys. So that has to be done. I have not cleaned it yet because like my mind keeps telling me for me to record it. So maybe I should just clean it and get out the way too. But I was just like, and I opened the door and I didn't clean it. I was shocked. I was like, whoa. Like, Selma, what is going on? What is going on? Because if you know me from my OG videos, I make sure to tackle every single corner of whatever I am cleaning, especially when it comes to deep cleaning. But I guess it's just, in that particular day, I was just trying to get things done before we headed to my mother and my father-in-law's house. And then we ended up not going, and it was just like a whole thing happened, right? And I just was trying to get this film, not even editing or anything, just like to get out the way. And because I told my husband a week prior, like, I'm gonna get this done within a week, give me a week. And this was like Saturday, and then I told myself I'm gonna clean the rest that I promised him on Sunday. And it didn't happen. Things happen, life happens, it is what it is. But I should get it done soon. So my motivation was to like prove my husband wrong, and I end up not finishing what I even planned in the first place. I was actually thinking about the Amfani's cleaning vinegar as I was cleaning this because it goes so well with the brillo pads, and of course here is Selma's toothbrush. Um, and I was just like, wow, like my cleaning products have changed. Like because I moved out from over there, right? So I whenever I do go back like by Didi's where I used to live before, I think I'm gonna stock up on like cleaning vinegar and like just Mexican cleaning products from like the Mexican stores where they bring in from Mexico. And like I just want to kind of get in the roots a little bit, you know? But I wanted the products to kind of last and just like, for them to work and do the job. And not just that, but just like kind of have that smell back a little bit. I have been talking to my dad a lot lately. Like we always are FaceTiming throughout the week. So thank you, Lord, for technology because like I'm able to see him that way. And on Instagram we'll be like chit chatting and just like talking to his wife and just like having a good such a good moment. And then uh on my vlog actually I was telling him like I'm gonna record you, and he goes, oh, for those videos you do? And I'm like, yes. And then he's over here like getting camera ready. It is the cutest thing. If you haven't watched our vlog, like go ahead and hit that way so you can watch it. But yeah, like I just kind of miss that smell of a clean home in Mexico. So I don't know because I have gotten the Fabuloso, but it just doesn't smell like the Mexican one from Mexico. So maybe it's just me or my nose, who knows. And I was really getting into the cleaning, right? And I left a lot of spots out, you guys. I really did. And at first I was so negative. I'm like, I'm not gonna post this video, it's not worthy of the watch. Like it's not like my old videos. And it just kind of being so negative, I'm like, you know what, lies, because people still watch videos, people still enjoy them, and this is me showing reality because like I'm just not who I was before. I am not who I was. I cannot clean the entire house in one day. I cannot function like before. Like here in this clip you're gonna see me like falling 3 times because I was losing balance, and that was not like me years ago, Like it's just a lot of stuff has changed. I have 4 kids now, and it's like getting things done is not as easy as before. And a lot of things happen with health, which like that's why I refuse to believe those lies that no, the videos that I be making are not worthy, because they are. Some people have worse situations than mine, and some people have more problems than other people. And it's just like everybody's life is different, and everybody faces different struggles. And me pushing myself to make these videos and do what I had to get done every single day from 6 in the morning till 12 at midnight, even though it's not recorded, it's still glorifying God because I'm taking care of my family, my home, and YouTube is coming as a third thing. Um, so yeah, like just kind of for you to relate a little bit, and just kind of I'm over here suffering like, am I gonna make it? And then I was gonna be like saying something else. Oh yeah, ta-da! And then I was like, okay, I'm done. It was funny. But you guys, do I get the cravings of having those awesome deep cleaning videos? Absolutely. Absolutely. Like, I have seen myself like thinking really hard, like, okay, I can do this, I can do that. Oh, that spot needs to be deep clean. Or how can I make the entire video to be in one and make sense, and just kind of really get in there down and dirty. You know what I'm saying? Like I do want to do that. And when I am deep cleaning without recording, I kind of feel a little bit of guilt because I'm not recording. But then it's like not everything has to be recorded, like as long as I'm getting it done. But do you get me? Like I have been telling you guys this. Like, I love fall. I absolutely love fall. It's my favorite time of the year. And me seeing people putting up decorations, being so hot outside, it just kind of makes me feel like a little bit behind, a little bit jealous, like dang, like I'm not there yet. I need to deep clean before, like, I'm just over here talking to myself. But like, I want to really deep clean this home. I want to get rid of a lot of stuff, and it's just like I need the time for it. But if I focus so much on a video for a day or two, then my house will be neglected, and I cannot let that happen. My husband works a lot since 3 in the morning till like 9:30, 10 p.m. Eats, showers, we chit chat, he goes to sleep, and then back at it again. So it's like, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's just a lot has changed. So I do appreciate every single one of you that keeps watching my videos every time I post. Shout out to you, because you are a real one. You have known everything that has happened in our lives basically, and you just kind of like just there to actually support, and you are well appreciated.
It's a good boy. Eh, go dance here. Ah, that's, oh yeah. Oh, what's up, dude? I like to go goo. Yeah. No, it's your turn. No. Yeah. Is that the best dude?
I didn't mean to scare Coco, but you guys, Coco is definitely like a shadow at this point, okay? And I'm absolutely loving it. If you want to know how I even got him, you want to know his story, make sure you watch that story time video that I posted recently, so you will not miss out on it and know all the details. So here I am expecting something very messy underneath the fridge, and of course it was great. I'm like, but I can definitely clean the tiles, because you guys, this amazing grout cleaner brightener, it is the absolutely best cleaning product when it comes to tile. Now I don't overuse it though, okay? Because then you're gonna take the grout out, because that's how good it is. But I use it when I have some stubborn buildup, because I wish I could, but I'm being completely honest. I don't mop every day like back in the days. I just don't. It is so annoying, to be honest. Not one, because it's like it almost happens on purpose. Every time I am done mopping, somebody throws the whole cup on the floor, and that triggers me to be pissed off. I don't know about y'all, but it just makes me mad. And I'm over here trying my best to have self control, self discipline, and all that. So I avoid mopping the entire house in one day. I mop in areas, and then the next day another area, and just kind of like keep people away for a little bit, like let it at least dry. Let me see the dryness. But yeah, and when it comes to this angle brush here, you guys, I am obsessed with this angle brush. I actually got it from Temu. I believe it's like $7. Um, but it's the absolutely best. I don't have to be on my knees, although some massage does work too. But if you do have like knee problems or back problems, a tool like this, even you can find a similar one at Amazon, is such a helpful tool for sure, hands down. And then as I was gonna go ahead and clean the rest of the stuff, which it was where the TV is at in the living room and underneath the couch, it didn't happen, but it was going to be part of the video. But you guys know how I clean actually, but it is what it is. It is what it is, fam. I just still hope you are enjoying the vibe and just, listening to me or cleaning as I'm cleaning, whatever the case may be. Now, the grout cleaner, I do usually what? I use it normally more at where the kitchen is at, where I'm cooking, where I'm the entire day with washing dishes, so it does get a lot more buildup. And that was Hazel, my bad. um, and I use a little bit of it, and I kind of like the brush picks it up. So if I do have some to do something a little bit extra, it does it for me, and it's just like so simple. You don't see me going like so hard on it. It just like picks it up like nothing, and then when you mop it, it's just like it works out beautifully. And it works so good with grease. I remember when I used it by itself, the floor was so slippery. You have to mop it out with hot water. Like, don't mix it with anything else. Just don't do it. I have not done it, but the smell that it has, you can tell that if you mix something with it, it's just gonna be not good for your head or for you to smell, right? So, with really hot water, like pick everything up, and the floor is so smooth that you literally wanna be barefooted and just like walking around the clean floor because you don't feel the residue, you don't feel nothing. It's just like nice, squeaky clean. Of course, this is the before, but I would really love a Zep makes this bottle more, uh, how do you explain it? More not messy, like really tackle the lines and not just like go everywhere because you waste a lot of product that way. I will use the clear bottle that I use to water my plants because it just targets the spot where I'm putting in that. And you can instantly see the difference. And it's just like, if you have not tried it, I suggest you try it. I'm willing to try it even outside the house. But that is all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you and catch you on my next one. Bye.